Next up is making the glaze, the orange glaze. Basically for this, you need half a cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of orange juice. I am making my powdered sugar myself, being a little extra by using half a cup of coconut sugar and 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch and just processing that in a food processor until it comes out completely smooth like powdered sugar you would buy from the store. Or you could just use regular powdered sugar if you don't want all that drama. Ooh, be wild and courageous. Okay, and then to that, I'm going to add orange juice. So I'm squeezing my orange juice from fresh oranges, fresh organic oranges, so I can get my 2 tablespoons of orange juice to mix with the powdered sugar to form my simple, sweet, delicious orangey glaze. So 2 tablespoons of the orange juice, freshly squeezed, organic, and then put in all that powdered sugar you made yourself or you just bought from the store into it and mix it all together to get your glaze. Ta-da, your glaze is ready.